Ipinagtanggol ng TV host actress na si Maine Mendoza ang asawang si Quezon City 1st District Representative Juan Carlos Arjo Atayde sa mga akusasyon ng mag-asawang Diskaya na nakinabang umano si Arjo sa mga maanumalyang flood control projects ng Department of Public Works and Highways. Sa kanyang ex-account, naglabas ng saloobin si Maine at dumpensa para sa kanyang asawa. Aniya, teka lang muna, those are baseless allegations. Please refrain from throwing hate and personal attacks at him, including me and our family until facts come out. Dagdag pa niya, I am with my husband in this. Wala siyang ginagawang masama sa loob. He has been doing his best to serve the people of his district in Quezon City since the beginning. I sincerely hope and pray that the people who are truly responsible will be held accountable and that innocent individuals be spared from this mess. Napaka-unfair. Bukod dito nauna ng pinabulaanan ni Congressman Arjo ang mga alegasyon ng mag-asawang Diskaya. Iginiit din ni Atayde na wala umano siyang naging transaksyon sa mga Diskaya. I have never used my position for personal gain, and I never will. I will avail of all remedies under the law to clear my name and hold accountable those who spread these falsehoods.